This fully automatic dispensing balancing machine is specialized in providing double-sided balance detection and correction for the outer diameter of 60 to 140 mm automobile seat cushion fan blade workpieces. After the equipment locates the product by CCD vision, it clamps and transfers the product of the turntable transfer module, lifting and reciprocating each station for initial unbalance detection. Equipped with a positioning balance correction module and flip station, which can accurately locate the unbalanced angle according to the balance test results. The double-sided correction effect can be achieved by dispensing. The repeatability of dispensing can reach 0.2 ml. After the balance correction, the minimum residual unbalance is less than or equal to 0.5 grams per millimeter per kilogram. The automatic mass balancing machine is suitable for 3 to 8 mm axial fan blades, which helps to improve the efficiency of testing and correction and save costs.